I don't know if you can see that line, but that is caused by damage on the blade. And I don't want that, so I've got to change the blade. Well, if anybody watching this has seen any of my other videos, you'll know that I make stuff out of stuff I get out of skips or found things, and most of the time they're full of staples or nails or grit or some kind of crap. And so my thickness planer is really, really handy and very, very well used to clean it all up. But every now and again I miss a piece of grit, or I miss a staple or I miss a nail or something, and the blade gets nicked. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to flip the blades over so I can get back to clean wood. This is the first time I've done it, so I thought I'll take you along for the ride. I mean, in 2 years, no, over 2 years, I've never changed the blade on that thickness planer. It does good, eh? It does good. So, let's do it. So this is the blade, and this here, this is a locking mechanism. So when you're working on the blade, it doesn't move. You push this in, well, you push it back, and you can move the blade. Let go, locks in. Safety mechanism, I like it. Right, so what we've got to do now, we've got to remove these bolts to get to the blade. And just by luck, I find it straight away. Little nick, right there. It's still incredibly sharp though. After 2 years, I am impressed with that. So what I've got to do now, this is the used side, and this is the, be careful with that, that is the fresh new side. So what I need to do is just flip it round. So I'll have a fresh edge. So, that's the old side. Turn it round. Put it into place. When putting it into place, you have these things, nipples, whatever you want to call them, sticking up. And these are in exactly the right place you need to put it, because they're aligned with these holes on the blade. So, you put these holes onto the pegs. Yeah, we'll call them pegs, that's about right. And that gives you correct alignment with the blade. Yeah, pegs, Jeff. Jeff, they're pegs. And that's the first blade done. And this is a simple process as long as you follow these positioning pegs here. Put everything where it should be and it's fine. So the next step, push your lever, turn the blade round and change the next one. Now let's see if we can get rid of this ridge, because we've got new blades now. Let's try it out. But it helps to plug it in first. Flat as a pancake, fresh edge, just like the first day I bought it. Fantastic. There's nothing difficult about that job. It's just a matter of some Allen bolts, and that's that. Just follow what's already there. The pegs tell you where to put things. The blade goes in its position, the guard goes in its position. Do the bolts back up. But man, a new blade. There's something very delicious about a new blade.